Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do another one pot meal. Do you hear that? The neighbors are out there building a fence for their chicken farm and the dogs are absolutely going insane. You know how my dogs are. They're like needy and I don't even know. But anyway, back to what we're going to be cooking today. We're going to do a fabulous one pot pasta meal. It's going to be absolutely amazing. I promise you, you're going to like this. Just ignore the background noise. There's so many different ways that you can make one pot pasta meals. You can put absolutely anything in it that you want. Please, Stacy May. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I think I got a couple of them on here already. Just ignore her. But today we're going to be using some... I'm already distracted. I forget what this is. This is this stuff. That stuff. Asparagus. We're going to be using some asparagus. Some asparagus. I've got some garlic, some fresh basil. We're also going to be using some angel hair pasta, some heavy whipping cream, some butter, some onion powder, some garlic powder, some tomatoes, some crushed red pepper flakes, and some shrimp. That's what we're going to be using today. So, we're going to use some water and a couple chicken bouillon cubes. I'm so sorry. Let's get started. She already knows that she's about to get in trouble. Already knows. Let's go down to the pot here. Enough about Daisy. Let's go down to the pot. So easy to make. I love this. I love this, and I think you're going to like it too. So in here I've got about 3 cups of water. I'm probably going to cook about half of this, maybe a little bit over half. I've also got some shrimp. These are large shrimp. I've got some asparagus. I've got some butter. I've got some fresh garlic. And this is just a little chunk. I always save my rind from my grated Parmesan cheese. Oh, we're going to use Parmesan cheese as well. But I always save my rind because it always gets absolutely fabulous in something. You can always cook something with that. We're going to use some pepper. We're going to use 2 bouillon cubes, like I said. We're going to use a can of petite diced tomatoes, some crushed red pepper flakes, and some garlic and onion powder. So that's probably all we're going to use. So I've already got 2. How many did I say? 3. I'm sorry. She's got me so jacked up. We've got 3 cups of water in here. Everything's just going to go in the pot. Everything is just going right in the pot. And here I am trying to open these bouillon cubes again. I'm going to put 2 bouillon cubes in there. If you got chicken stock, go ahead and use chicken stock if you'd like. All these flavors are going to come together and make this absolutely magical. I'm going to go ahead and add my tomatoes, add the whole container. You're going to add juice and all in there. So good, so good, so good. And then we're going to add our rind from our Parmesan cheese, our fresh Parmesan cheese. We're going to add our why can't I get that? Asparagus. We're going to add that in there and get every bit of that garlic off there. Yes, I use paper plates. I love paper plates. We're going to add some fresh basil. I don't know, a couple sprigs of it. A couple, 2, 3, 5 sprigs of fresh basil. And that is just going to season that up so well. Dump your shrimp in there. Dump it all in there. I didn't use much shrimp because those suckers are big. Crushed red pepper flakes, as much or as little as you like. Some onion powder, as much or as little as you like. I like to at least use a good healthy teaspoon and a half. I'm not gonna lie. And some garlic powder. And you know me, the more the merrier. Oh, look at that. I am always trying to open more than what I need. I always have like 4 or 5 different ones open. Yeah, that's a little heavy on the garlic powder, but hey, so what? This is in the kitchen with Sandy. You're gonna get some flavor with this. What is it with my camera shutting off in the middle of my filming today? This is absolutely driving me nuts, so I don't know where I left off. But I'm going to go over what I put in here. I think I got to the very end, but we've got everything in the pot here. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to put this on the stove and we're going to let it start cooking, bring it to a boil, let it start cooking, because the pasta that we are using is angel hair. It's just going to take just a minute to cook. I want all of these flavors to marry. So we're going to get this started on the stove, and then we're going to add the pasta after this is cooked for just a few minutes. All right, I've let this cook probably for about 5 or 6 minutes, because I did have to let the cheese rind melt. I forgot about that. So you gotta let that melt, and it's melted perfectly. I cannot tell you how amazing, amazing this smells. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our pasta. I'm gonna add about, I don't know, a good handful of it, and it's gonna cook right in there. This is the angel hair, so it's not gonna take long to cook at all. I'm just gonna toss it right in there. Don't break it. Don't you dare break that pasta. I will come to your house. Just gonna let it kind of melt in there, and it's just gonna cook right in this deliciousness. Then we're gonna add a little bit of heavy whipping cream once the pasta is just about done. And we're gonna thicken this baby up. There you go. Oh, it's down in there. Now, we're going to pop a lid on this and let this cook away for about 3 or 4 minutes, if that, because like I said, it's angel hair. It's not going to take long at all. Got to get it all down in there. Oh, I can't tell you how good my house smells. And look how beautiful that is. This is cooked for probably about 4 minutes. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and add my heavy whipping cream at this point. We're just going to add, not a whole lot, maybe about a half a cup, if that. Just sort of make it nice and creamy, and it'll thicken nicely. Nicely, I tell you. Stir that around. And I'm also going to add a nice big handful of Parmesan cheese. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. Now I'm going to push it back and let it sit for just a minute. Get it off the heat. We're going to let it sit there and let all the flavors marry for just a minute, and then we're going to plate this up. It smells so good in here. So good. Parsley, just for color. Mix it together. And then we're just going to plate this up. Look how beautiful that looks. You know what? My camera has shut off again for like the 3rd time today. Not sure what's going on with that. We're going to add some more parsley. I added parsley for color right before it shut off, I think. I don't know where it shut off at, so we're going to add some more. Look at that. So let's go ahead and dig in. Look at that. Look how thick the sauce got. It's perfect for this. Just the right amount of water and, you know, the chicken bouillon and the tomatoes. It's just perfect. I'm going to get me a shrimp there. We're going to give this a taste. Look at that. See, it thickened nicely with the, give me some asparagus. And some tomatoes. Got to get it all. That little hunk of the rind from the Parmesan cheese really, really helped thicken that up as well. Look at that. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Got to give this a try. Really good. The basil just stands out. It's perfect. I can have another bite. Sorry for the background noise. So good. Shrimp is perfect. All of it together is just so delicious.
Girl, I have something stuck in my throat. You want me to choke?
Again, sorry for the background noise. You guys gotta try this. This is absolutely delicious. I'll try to get some more one-pot meals on here, recipes, as soon as I can. I know you like them. You know I like them. Hope you give this a try soon. It is so good. Maybe make you a little salad with it. Maybe some nice crusty bread. Perfect. You know I love you guys very much. I'll see you on the next one.